7 with 30 Days of Sketches in Christy's Beautiful Life. We are working with Cheryl Ashcroft's sketch here. And I want to make some embellishments from this sketch. Now the things that I notice are these flowers. I'm like, okay, well, I did flowers the other day. I don't really want to do flowers again, but what they really remind me of is rosettes. So this is what I have come up with. And I just wanted to remind you how to make these because they are super simple and super cute to do. And you need limited supplies. So you get a piece of paper. You have to have at least 8 inches on all of these sizes. So this is a 1/2 inch, 3/4, and a 1 inch. So if you want to use a single piece of paper at 1/4 inch for each of the little spikes, then you have to have 8 inches of paper. Because what ends up happening is if you have something that's bigger or wider than this, you can't actually make the fold because the paper starts to stretch too thin. Like, see how this one is super close together compared to this one? Well, that's because this is a bigger radius from the middle outside. So just keep that in mind. You can't go bigger than an inch on 1/4 for 8 inches of paper when you've scored at every quarter. So what you do is you score at every corner and then you fold alternating back and forth. Now this piece is bigger than 1 inch. So you see what's going to happen is when I try to push all of these pieces together, I physically cannot get it past that point. So you can make fans super easy this way on your page and then just stick something in the middle and be done. But when you go to do something like this, you want to make sure to have something on the back and something on the front that will keep these stable. So I recommend grabbing your hole punch. You can also just cut the circles like I did. Really janky looking on the back, not a big deal, but on the front you do want something that is a little bit prettier. And then you glue the 2 ends together. And then when you do that, you just push the middle down so that you end up with a rosette. So it's super easy to do. It adds some bulk to your page, but clearly I'm not worrying about that because I've got a lot of bulk in this album already. But that's that. So let's put these on a page and look at how cute these are. And I've already prepped my page. So what I did is I took some modeling paste in white, threw a stencil that had some Halloween faces, and then I dyed cheesecloth with some Delusions ink spray and some glimmer mist. So you can kind of see on the back here, the glimmer kind of came off. That's okay. I wasn't really looking for the glimmer. I just thought it would add a little bit of a nice touch. I don't think you can tell, but that is what it is. So I've got my 2 pictures here. And the reason I chose the cheesecloth is because that's something that we kind of worked with the other day when we were decorating. So I think we're going to go like this. And then the word happy is going to fit on here somehow. Maybe, I was thinking like right here. Because then I've got some room for my rosettes. So cute little touch. And I'm picking these out because we are decorating. That is a big part of what we did this day, was decorate. So yeah. And then I do have a little journaling card I want to fit on here somewhere, so I might forego a little thing here. I don't know. So yeah, we'll see what happens with this part. It might end up tucking somewhere or something. I don't know. I don't know that I like that either. I might have to make another rosette. But anyway, super simple page. I adhered this cheesecloth. It's very loosey-goosey right now with just a stapler. That's something I saw somebody else do, and that was easy peasy. But my main focus on this video was to show you how to build a rosette, and that's what I did. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check everybody else out who has playing along with 30 Days of Sketches and Christy's Beautiful Life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.